I'm going to show you how to log in to the Teams website so that you can participate in the Head Start program for the DCDSB for the summer of 2020. The first place you want to go is www.dcdsb.ca, which is our school board website. If you hover over Students and you click Launchpad Learning Portal, you will be taken to our e-learning and web-based learning portal site. Okay, you're going to need to log in using your school board address. This will end in @dclive.ca. I'm going to use a student account here to log in. And you will have your own email address and password that you should know. If you don't know, please contact Continuing Education or your school principal or administrator. So here is a student account. I have created a Microsoft Teams link right on the Launchpad Learning Portal homepage, so you can just click that, and that will take you right through to Microsoft Teams. Alternatively, you could just open up a brand new tab in any browser and type in teams.microsoft.com, and that will take you to the exact same place. You will need to log in if you've never been there before, but you should get something that looks like this, and you want to use the web app if you are familiar with, you want to use the web app. If you are familiar with the actual application and would like to load it onto your computer, you can do that as well. But I'm going to show you the web app because it is accessible from any device. So if you just click Use the Web App, you'll get taken to something that might look like this. If it looks a little lost, what you want to do is you want to click Teams on the left-hand side, click the Teams icon, and then click on Your Teams or All Teams, or Show All Teams. Okay, so if you click the Teams on the left side, it should take you to all your teams, and I don't know why it's not doing that with me right now. If you click Teams on the left-hand side, you will see a list of your teams show up here. In this case, we have the Head Start team, or the Head Start class, okay? And you can click the arrow beside it, or you can click it, and you should get what's called a bunch of channels. Okay, so you want to focus on the general channel, and all of your teachers will be posting, messages in this channel. Welcome to the Head Start program. They'll talk about maybe meetings. They'll give you links that you can go to. And then you'll see the different teachers or classes that you have. Maybe literacy, numeracy, health. You might have some questions and answers. These are all channels or classes that you can go into. But you can always go to the General tab to see major announcements from your teachers, all of them. Okay? Now, if you want to go to your literacy class, you can click on literacy, and your teachers will leave things for you here like files or assignments. Here's a posting of an assignment that's due, and it's due on August 21st. Okay, so if I ever get lost, I can always just click on Teams back here, click on my classes or my Head Start, and then all of my channels should show up here once I click the Teams on the left side. Okay, I'm going to go back to my general, and then across the top I also have files that my teachers leave me, as well as assignments and grades. I'm not sure if any teachers will actually use the class notebook, okay? But let's say I go to literacy for the first day and I see my teacher has left me an assignment here. I can click View the Assignment. And now I can take a look. In one paragraph, the teacher will leave me instructions here. There might also be a file that I can click on. It's out of 100. And the instructions will be here. So in one paragraph, it might say like, write me all about yourself. Write me a paragraph about yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to add your work. I'm going to go onto my computer and I'm going to create a file and I'm going to write a paragraph. I'm actually going to show you how to do that right now. If I come back to this website here, my homepage, Durham Catholic District School Board, I can click on Office 365, or likewise, I'm going to use my same DCDSB address, dclive.ca, to log in. Or alternatively, I can go to any new tab and type in office.com, and it will ask me for that login again, and I'll type in my DC Live email address. And once I type it in and click yes, it will take me to this page here. Now this, again, is my student account for Office. I can click on Microsoft Word right here, and I can create a brand new document. I can name that document at the top here. What was that assignment? If I go back to my team site, that assignment was in one paragraph, tell me all about yourself. So here I am in Word. I can say all about me, and then I can give the document up here a name. I might say it's for my literacy class too. Okay. And all about me is now saved, and I can type hello, and you can type all about yourself, and then when you're done, you actually just make sure it says saved here, and you just close it. And if I go back to my teams here, I go to my general, I go to assignments, I find that assignment that I haven't handed in yet, or if it's, I know it's literacy, I was on that view assignment page, right? I can now add work. And I can, if you want to type up your work on your own computer and you have documents on your own computer, you can upload from your device. You can click here and you'll see a document box come up. Or I can click my OneDrive and there it is right there, all about me. And I can choose it and I can attach it. And that file I just created is right there, and I can turn it in to my teacher. Now when my teacher marks it and gives me a grade, I can come back to my Head Start class, click on General, I can click on Assignments, and right down here we will have a completed, and I can click that, what is your passion, or in one paragraph, and I will be able to see feedback up here. There will be feedback once my teacher grades it, and I'll be able to open this document and I will be able to see any comments that my teacher has made. So they will leave comments for me either in a different color, or they'll leave comments for me, and the score will be right here. Okay? So that's how you would hand in an assignment and get an assignment. Again, I'm lost, so I just click Teams on the left-hand side here, and I choose my General tab, and I can see all the messages that my teachers have left for me. Okay, if you have any questions, you can email your teacher. Again, I can come up here to get my email. I click on the 9-square waffle, and I choose Outlook, and that gets me to my school board email. Alternatively, once I log into this page here, I also have Office 365 that I can click on, log in, and my email is right here at the top. Okay? Your teacher's email address is usually their first name dot their last name at dcdsb.ca. Okay, good luck and have fun this summer as well as this upcoming school year.